Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have the best players, but it has decent players. Oguti, they can play good football, win us games. But because of this mismanagement of the club, because of the club doesn't have direction, because of there's no winning mentality, because of the culture is dead. Lama players lao afika lapana aqwile. Those players afika lapana they drown. You understand? That is never seen that. And it's not supposed to go that way. And I feel like it's gotten to a point whereby Abo Pobi, Abo Pobi, Abo Junior, they just need to be honest to tell us, you know what, is he a schooler? Is he a schooler? We need help. If it needs to be something like Man United, whereby they take a step back and then they bring in people who are going to run football operations. You understand? Not the marketing side, not the merchandise. They need to just be honest. But you know what? I saw Junior as every studio, Saga Rob, listening to